Hi there. Today's episode is about my camcorder Canon HF-G10. We're gonna test out the image stabilizer and compare with my DSLR Canon 7D. Here's today's setting. The shooting mode is on shutter priority, the white balance auto, focus auto, AGC limit auto, and image effects are disabled. Now let's compare with my 7D using Canon 11-16 f2.8. Now let's change the lens to EF24 to 105 f4 with image stabilizer. Here's the shot with the widest side of the zoom at 24mm. Here's the telephoto side at 105mm. The image stabilizer of Canon HF-G10 seemed to work pretty well. That 7D is not that bad with wide angle lens and lenses with image stabilizer. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching and talk to you later. Bye.